Okay, do-it-yourselfers, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna plug a tire and save ourselves some money. So stay tuned. You want to turn your wheel to where you can actually access where the item is. You see this right here? That's a nail. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna pull it out and begin the plug process. There we go. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna pull it out. Oh boy, air's leaking big time. Take my tool here. I'm gonna clean out these steel belts really good. I'm gonna screw it in there. Get it in there. It's under a lot of pressure, so it's gonna be got it filed up real good. Next step, get your plug tool, your plugs, your glue. Work your way one end of the tool there. Take this glue and put it all over it. Now you got the glue on it, we're going to pull the other tool out, the file out, stick this in there. Shove it down there, twist it, pull it out. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to trim it off. As you can see, I've lost a lot of air in the process, but you had to have the pressure on there. Okay, here's where I'm going to cut it off. Here's the tools I've got. This pair of scissors or a pair of pliers. I'm going to try the pliers first and see what happens here. It may or may not work. Yeah, try the scissors. Yeah, the scissors work pretty good. Well, it's hard to do this and film it at the same time, but it's gonna save me some money. I'm tired of getting overcharged for just crap. Pull something in somewhere and I'm gonna charge you $100 for a road hazard warranty. I'm just not gonna do it, guys. Now, gotta air it back up. I'll air it up. Gonna reset the computer on my GMC. Save myself some money on a tire repair. You know, old hot dog ain't no joke.